Well, you really can't see in the dark. But that's the Champagne Rain. It's an invisible horse and an invisible Tina. There we go. Now we have light. There we go. The pregnant moose. I didn't hear you, Tay. Look, you got somebody to talk to. Oh my God, Champagne Rain, you got a real stall.
I have to put this one. You can work with her in the store.
Yeah, she's easy. Hello there, Rain.
Come here. Right back. Come here. Okay.
All sorts of things for you to chew on in here.
There you go, sweetheart.
We don't have a hook on this side?
No, I have to bring it in. I wasn't sure where I was going to put it in.
We got you already, Savannah. You're already in there. You're just a black circle, though, in the dark. Okay, that's enough. Number 2 horse in the barn. There's number 1 horse in the barn. We'll keep you abreast.